Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we're going to be working with the classic chicken tendies. But we're going to be doing a little sweet chili and honey vibe today. So let's get started, y'all. So first we're just going to season our little chicken tenders. We got some black pepper and salt. Y'all know the deal. We're going to be using some Weber's Kickn chicken just to give it a little heat. And we're going to be adding some chili powder since we are doing sweet chili today. Doing a little extra heat. And y'all, that's just going to be the base of our chicken tenders. We're just going to mix that all around, get them a little bit coated. And let's get started on the second set. So we're going to let our chicken marinate. So we're going to be using some buttermilk. And we're just going to fill that up until it covers all of our chicken tenders. And of course, we got to season our buttermilk as well. So we're going to be taking a little cayenne pepper to give it a little bit more heat. Take a little paprika for that color. A little bit of onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some more chili powder. A little bit of ground mustard. And of course, a little bit more salt and pepper. And y'all don't worry about how much seasoning you're using because most of the seasoning is going to fall to the bottom anyway. So it's okay if you use a little extra heavy hands. And we're going to add a little hot sauce too. And y'all, we're just going to mix this around. And we're going to let this marinate in our refrigerator for a few hours, or you can let it marinate overnight. So go ahead and get everybody coated with that buttermilk and them seasonings. And it should look something like this. Get you some plastic wrap on your top and go ahead and put it into your refrigerator. And we'll be back in a few hours. Alright, y'all, our chicken is nice and ready. We have our chicken fry mix that we're just going to be coating our chicken tenders with. And just make sure you get them all evenly coated on both sides. And we're just going to be placing that on our rack. And we'll let them sit out for about 10-15 minutes just to let that coating really stick to our chicken. So make sure you remove all that excess buttermilk and liquid from your chicken. And just keep dipping. Just repeat that process, let it sit, and then it'll be fry time, y'all. All right, y'all, all of our chicken has been coated. We're just going to let them sit for a minute. Let's go ahead and heat up our skillet on a medium-high heat to 350 degrees. Get your little thermometers out. And let's go ahead and get on to our sauce while our skillet is heating up. So, y'all, we've just taken about 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter that we've melted. We're just going to be adding a couple tablespoons of honey. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. And of course, the star of the show today, get you some sweet chili sauce. Or you can use some sriracha. And just give that a nice whisk. And we're just going to let that simmer on a medium-low heat. And get all those ingredients well combined. And it's looking nice and chilly. chili-ish. So y'all, let's move on to our skillet. You can see it's hot, it's bubbling a little bit. Let's go ahead and add in our chicken tenders, and we're just gonna let them cook for a few minutes on both sides until they're nice and golden brown. Then you don't want to overcrowd your pan. We just want to make room for just enough chicken tenders. That way we don't lower the temperature of our oil. All right, y'all, it's been a few minutes and you can see they're a little nice and golden. Look at that little chicken tendies doing something for the sun. I like it. I like it. And be careful because some of that coating will fall off, as you can see, but that's okay. Like I said, as long as it tastes good, that's what we're worried about, y'all. So it's been another few minutes. They are nice and ready. We're just going to get them out of this hot heat and put them back on our rack. And we're going to let them sit for a few minutes just to get all of that excess grease off of our chicken tenders, and they'll be nice and crispy. Get that last little baby out of there. All right, y'all, and finish your chicken tenders, and they should come out something like this. How pretty. Look at our little crunchy, crispy chicken tenders glowing. I see you. So y'all, let's dress them up with our sweet honey chili sauce, and you can see how nice and thick and gooey it looks. Ooh. I'm nice and hungry, y'all. But y'all, I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends as always. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.